Okay, go ahead. Put her in.
No. She's gonna get out.
Go ahead. Don't you see what Mommy put in there, Fiona? Go ahead.
She's into heck with this. There's freedom out here.
Look what I got in there. Don't you see what I got in there, baby? There you go. Oh.
No,
Get in there! You're all dirty! You're all dirty! No, baby girl. Go on, you silly thing. Go on, get in there.
She really gets all over her. Sorry, baby. Don't worry about it.
Get in there.
She's like, I gotta find my head.
She's like, I have a knife.
You silly. Get in there. You're all dusty.
No, Vinny, wait. Oh, look. It's okay. It's okay. She's gonna get
No,
out.
no, you're not done yet. You got 10 minutes. 10-minute bath.
Should have just put it inside the cage.
No.
No, because she wants to get out and she's not bathing herself. Just block her.
Just take her.
Get in there.
How's she gonna get all that dust out?
Gets off of her.